All right, welcome on this video. So today the topic will be about Google Tag Manager. You probably heard about this tool before, and you're asking yourself if you should implement Google Tag Manager on your solution. Let me try to explain you easily what Google Tag Manager is about. So to start, Google Tag Manager is a tool designed by Google and is part of the family tool of tag management system. So basically, a tag management system is a tool designed to help you manage your marketing scripts, analytics scripts on your solution. So let's take, for instance, a website. And in the case of a website, you probably want to implement tools like Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, and other tools like that. In order to implement this kind of tools on your website, you will be asked to implement scripts directly into your website, okay? And before the tag management systems tools exist, we were in a situation where we had to implement directly this kind of scripts into the code. As you may imagine, this is a situation that can be hard to maintain in the long run. So tag management systems like Google Tag Manager aim to help you manage better your scripts, your analytics scripts, marketing scripts, technical scripts on your website. So Google Tag Manager is basically a cloud-based tool with a user-friendly interface where you can add your scripts, update your scripts, delete your scripts, create versions of your scripts, and make in production your scripts. So this is the main purpose of this kind of tool. And I think everybody that has a solution, digital solution, website, web application, mobile application must use tool like Google Tag Manager. So Google Tag Manager is not the only tag management system that exists. You have tools like Tag Commander, Tilium, and tools like Tag Manager from Matomo Analytics tool, for instance. So now that you have a definition of this tool, you know what this tool is about, you are probably asking yourself if you should implement this tool. And the quick answer for me is yes, because by experience, when you have to implement multiple tools, multiple scripts into your website, your solution, it becomes really hard to maintain these scripts in the long run. So for me, this is a must-have tool. And yes, probably, I think you may have some situations where you can avoid the usage of Google Tag Manager. But for me, if you don't have a developer dedicated to the implementations of this kind of scripts, if you don't know the technical aspect of implementing these scripts onto your solution, then you'll need to implement Google Tag Manager as a tag management system. But in the case, if you have the technical requirements to implement your scripts, yes, you may not feel the need to implement GTM. But I think it is only possible if you have fewer scripts to implement onto your solution. If you have many tools, many solutions with many tracking code to implement, I still think that implementing Google Tag Manager is the way to go. So now let me try to explain you how Google Tag Manager works. Basically, Google Tag Manager works by implementing scripts onto your solution. And by implementing two scripts onto your solution, you will have what we call a container implemented on your website. And inside this container, you'll be able to manage your scripts. You'll be able to trigger your scripts and to basically enhance the way that you collect data and send this data to your tools. So this is like a kind of backdoor on your website where you can inject scripts through Google Tag Manager, which is a cloud-based tool. So if you've learned more about Google Tag Manager during this video, please consider subscribing to this YouTube channel and hit the bell for upcoming videos. I will produce more videos about Google Tag Manager, about the technical aspect of analytics tracking. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.